CertainTeed's legacy of quality is strong and unwavering and dates back more than a century. In fact, the name CertainTeed comes from the slogan coined in the early years of our company: quality made certain, satisfaction guaranteed. Today, CertainTeed is North America's leading brand of exterior and interior building products. With more than 70 manufacturing facilities, a skilled workforce of 7,000 employees, and over $3 billion in sales in 2007. Our position as an industry leader is enhanced by the relationship with our parent company, Saint-Gobain. One of the 100 largest industrial corporations in the world, Saint-Gobain provides a solid financial foundation and a worldwide R&D network that supports CertainTeed's vision to be the preferred choice for innovative building products and systems. Asphalt roofing shingles have been used on homes across the United States since the early 1900s. CertainTeed has been in the forefront of roofing technology and asphalt shingle innovation since the company was founded in 1904. CertainTeed Roofing has 12 manufacturing facilities strategically located around the United States to provide fast and convenient delivery to our distributors. Each of these plants strives to be a strong and positive presence in its community, and the dedicated individuals who punch in every day work hard to make the best roofing products in the industry. We'd like to show you just how they do it. A roofing shingle is only as good as the materials used in its construction. That's why CertainTeed places such a heavy emphasis on specifying the finest raw materials, and has a facility in Blue Bell, Pennsylvania, where these materials are qualified prior to their use in shingle production to ensure that they meet our stringent specifications.
We work with our suppliers to select and specify raw materials that will ensure our high standards for durability and long-term performance for all CertainTeed roofing products. Many factors contribute to the selection of raw materials, including long-term availability, consistency, and stability. So let's take a look at some of the key factors and raw materials that play a role in CertainTeed's roofing products.
Asphalt, of course, is a crucial component of every CertainTeed shingle. Lab stills are used to process new asphalt sources, and the consistency of asphalts blended with performance-enhancing polymers is checked through microscopy. Asphalt is also spot-checked at our shingle manufacturing locations to ensure every shipment meets our rigorous quality standards. Mechanical properties of shingles and some raw materials are evaluated using special machines that test sealant strength, flexibility, nail pull resistance, and tensile strength. Blue Bell scientists and technicians use sophisticated accelerated weathering equipment to mimic real-world weathering conditions. Weathering chambers can be programmed to replicate ultraviolet light, humidity, fog, and thermal shock to assess how well shingles will hold up on the roof over time. Performance of the granules applied to the top surface of CertainTeed shingles is one of the key factors in shingle longevity. These granules protect the underlying asphalt layers from exposure to damaging ultraviolet radiation, resist unsightly algae stains, and can even help save energy by reflecting the sun's rays.
While the caliber of our raw material suppliers and the testing we do to qualify their products are very important, CertainTeed's single greatest resource is our employees. Their dedicated craftsmanship enables us to meet our customers' expectations for products of the highest quality and consistency while attaining service levels unsurpassed in the industry.
In this section, we're going to walk you through several key segments of the shingle production process: coating, laminating, cutting, inspection, and packaging. After the large rolls of fiberglass mat that ultimately form the shingle base begin their journey down the production line, application of the limestone-filled asphalt coating, followed by the granules, are the first steps toward building a finished shingle.
I use a computerized system to control and monitor the filler in my coating. I adjust the amount of coating put on the base of the sheet through our squeeze rolls, which is then monitored by our LFE and our line inspector. To ensure proper back coating, I run a manual test every hour.
Next step is the busy cutter and laminator section. This is where shingle tabs are laminated to the fiberglass base, and the continuous mat that has moved down the line up to this point is slit and cross-cut into finished shingles. At this point, when shingles are being counted and stacked in preparation for packaging, one of the most important steps in the process of manufacturing a CertainTeed roofing shingle takes place: inspection of random samples.
To ensure quality at CertainTeed, we take numerous amounts of tests. One is a bundle weight, which I have just performed. Two is we look for our blends to be in their right locations. We also take our width, length, and squareness measurements, and also take a look at our sealant, tape, and shadow line alignments. We inspect with these guidelines of CertainTeed's criteria.
In addition to our rigorous internal quality control processes, CertainTeed products are inspected every week at all of our shingle manufacturing facilities by representatives from Underwriters Laboratories. The consistent success of these inspections is a measure of the quality of the raw material and product testing conducted at the plant. The area where shingles are packaged and palletized is one of the busiest places in any CertainTeed roofing plant. While the degree to which these processes are mechanized is truly impressive, it's important to remember that machines are only as good as the people who operate and maintain them. And the folks who do that at CertainTeed are the best in the business.
As you can see, making high-quality shingles is a complex process. CertainTeed is committed to making shingles that contractors and homeowners can have confidence in. This begins with the selection of high-quality raw materials, continues with close monitoring of the manufacturing process, and ends with a beautiful new CertainTeed roof that will perform for many years.